The nation celebrates its independence this year. Many immigration attorneys are warning that a new Supreme Court ruling will deny rights to many born in this country. Last Friday, the Supreme Court ruled against federal judges and how far they can go when ruling on cases with nationwide impact. This case centered on President Trump's executive order on changing the interpretation of birthright citizenship, something guaranteed in the Constitution. This is how he reacted to the news last week.
We've seen a handful of radical left judges effectively try to overrule the rightful powers of the president to stop the American people from getting the policies that they voted for in record numbers.
Our reporter, Daniela Tablada-Palau, spoke to a Beaumont immigration attorney who explained what could happen starting next month.
Cledra, children born from non-citizens in the U.S. will not be automatically given legal status after July 27th.
As far as the immigrant community living in the red states, don't put yourself in unnecessary risks. If you know you are about to have a child and you believe that that child is not going to be born a citizen.
On June 27th, the Supreme Court ruled that federal judges cannot stop a law from taking effect across the country, but they can stop the law from impacting people involved in a case before them.
What this decision appears to do is limit judges to only being able to grant relief to the plaintiffs or the individuals in a case before them, instead of basically allowing it to be nationwide.
Now, the court mentioned that the executive order Trump signed in January will take effect 30 days from the decision, which would be the 27th of July.
Judges on the lower courts will have to decide how to tailor their decisions to comply with the new ruling. So basically it's giving 30 days for lower courts and the parties involved time to sort out what their next steps are.
Now, since Texas is one of many states that hasn't challenged the order, many babies soon to be born are at risk.
Why should children suffer for a decision that this administration wants to do? It's going to be a lot harder for those families to get the necessary access to education, healthcare, and whatever other needs that they possibly could need.
Wendler advised that if you are one to be affected by the order, to seek legal counsel now. And under attorney-client privileges, your legal status or anything discussed will be kept safe.
I think that everybody needs to seek legal counsel because sometimes there are options they just aren't aware of.
The way the executive order will affect people still has some unknowns, but we will keep you updated on air and online on 12 News Now. In studio, Daniela Tablada-Palau, 12 News.